Hi guys, welcome to the part 2 of our tutorial on how to set up your Shopee store. Today I'm going to show you how to add products on your shop. First, make sure that you're logged in to your seller account. If you can't find this page, just type in seller.shopee.ph or whatever domain extensions you have in your shop in your country. And once you're logged in, hover your cursor to your username at the top right corner of the page and click Shop Profile. Click on My Shipping on the left side and click Leave. Just ignore that. What we're doing is we're adding a shipping option before adding the actual products. I made the mistake before of not activating any shipping options before adding the product, so I had to redo everything. So for this example, I'm gonna activate LBC Express and click OK. You will also notice that for now we don't have the cash on delivery option since we just opened our account. In order to get the cash on delivery and pickup option, you need to have at least 10 products on your shop and you need to wait for at least 7 days for Shopee to approve it. And lastly, your address should also be serviceable by one of the Shopee's courier partner. I'm gonna make a different tutorial on how to add a cash on delivery option to your account. For now, we're just going to focus on how to add products. So the LBC is already activated. We're going to go back now to Home. Click Home. And now we can start adding products. Click My Products. And click Add a New Product. Name your product. I'm going to name it Plaid Trousers. And they're under a women's apparel. They're pants, specifically trouser. And click Next. So here there's a lot of text boxes that you have to fill out. I'm just going to walk you through each of them. We're going to skip the product description for now. So the brand, since my items isn't really under any brand, so I'm going to choose no brand here. I usually just get my stocks from tailors, from the local tailors, so they're not branded and they're usually cheap but in good quality. So the material or the fabric is crepe and it's full length. The occasion is casual. The price and stock. Now if you have different colors for a single item, click directly on the variations and you want to name it colors, and here you're gonna put the different colors of that item. Right now this these are the trousers that I want to upload, and there are 9 different colors available, so I will put 9 different colors here. And since it's very long, it's long to put the specific colors of each item. I'm just gonna categorize them through numbers. As you can see, the black plaid here is 1 and the maroon is 2. So it's easier for the buyers to understand. So 1, 2, 4, and 9. And now for the price, let's say it's 299 pesos per piece, and there are 10 pieces per colors. You can just leave the SKU blank if you're not really using it. So click apply to all if the same price and quantity applies to all your colors. If not, you can just manually edit each of them. And wholesale, this is optional, but if you want to give your buyers a discount for buying your items in bulk, you can do so. So for example, for items above 3 pieces up to 12, you're going to give 10 peso discount for each. So you can just put 289 here. As you can see, the original price is 299, right? But if your buyer buys 3 items above, she will get 10 peso discount for each piece. Okay? But that's totally optional, so you can delete that if you don't have that kind of pricing. And now for the media management. This is where you upload your product photos. You can upload up to 9 photos. I already saved my photos here. I got these photos, by the way, from my supplier. You can also create your own photo, but that's totally up to you. Usually most suppliers give provide photos, so you don't have to worry about taking pictures of your items. Okay, and you can also rearrange that if you want, like that. I'm gonna keep it like this. Size chart. Size chart is optional, especially for items that are one size. But as an example, I'm gonna upload my size chart saying that it's a one size. But it's totally optional. You can just say it's a one size in the description. So that's it. And then the weight. I don't really know how much each piece weigh, but I'm just gonna make a guess. They're pretty light. Each piece is pretty light, so I'm gonna put 0.15 kilogram. And click here. Since we've already activated the LBC Express before, so you can now see it here. So activate that and click that and set the LBC Express fee. If you want to cover the shipping fee, just check this box, but I haven't really included the shipping fee to the item price, so I'm just gonna put the fee. Usually for LBC it's 180 pesos. So put that there. and this will be charged to your buyer on top of the item price. So click apply and enable, and since I have the item in stock, I'm gonna keep this as no for the pre-order. But if you don't have the item in stock and you're only going to buy it after you make a sale, click on yes instead, and put the number of days that you will put the number of days you will need in order to ship out the item. Since I have the items in stock, I'm gonna put no, and the minimum, you can see now that the minimum number of days that I should ship the item is 3 days. Other than that, otherwise it's gonna be tagged as late. So the condition is new. You can also sell used items, by the way. And the parent SKU. Just leave it blank if that doesn't apply to you. And now we're gonna go back to our product description since we haven't filled that out before. I usually have a template for product description, so I'm just gonna paste that here. So here, if you don't upload the one size photo, if you haven't uploaded this photo here, just put that it's a one size in the product description. It's small to large or 25 to 30-inch waist. Photos shown are the actual items. Cash on delivery available. Right now we don't have a cash on delivery, so we're just gonna delete that for now. But if you do have that, it's better to include that so sellers will know that you have a cash on delivery option. And for the shipment, I usually copy this for the items that I don't have in stock, since I can only ship on Tuesday and Friday. Since I have the items in stock, I'm just going to delete that. And the delivery, 3 to 5 days within Metro Manila, 3 to 6 days for Luzon, outside Manila, and 5 to 8 days for Visayas and Mindanao. Lastly, you can also add your hashtags. You can say trousers, pants, pants for women, plaid trousers, and you can put up to 5 to 18 hashtags. That depends on how many hashtags you want to put. I'm just going to put 5 for now. And you can click. That should be it. You can now click save and publish. And we have it. So if we're going to visit our site, our store, type in shopee.ph/your username. Uh, 25. We should now see one item here, and this is it. So when the buyer clicks this, this is the cover. This was the cover photo, by the way. So, and when the buyer clicks this, she's gonna see this, the photo, the cover photo, and the items. 3, 5, 7, 9 photos all in all. And these are the numbers. Each number corresponds to color. So if the buyer chooses 1, that means she's gonna buy this black plaid. And the quantity, and here you're gonna see the category, everything that we've filled out in the product description, you will see here. One size, photos shown, and the delivery time frame, and our hashtags. The buyers will also see the ratings here, but for now we don't have a rating, so it's showing no ratings yet. That's it. Just repeat the same steps for all of your items. And you can also click this if you want a different view, if you want grid, and this is for list. So usually the photos, the best practice for taking good item photos is that you need to take photo of the front of the item and the back. But as you can see in this example, it doesn't really have that because I only got these photos from the supplier, and usually it doesn't follow the take standard photography of items. But that that don't worry if you don't who have close up of your photos, since you're still actually gonna make sales. So just don't let it stop you. If you don't have a camera to take photos of your item, just use whatever you have, and you'll be amazed that buyers will still actually buy your items. So that should be it. Um, Stay tuned for part 3, as I'm going to show you add how to enable your cash on delivery and the pickup option. Bye.